we'll be passing over the San Antonio River for the second time. Now, from here, the river does continue on its journey through downtown and the Riverwalk before finally making it all the way to the Gulf.
Looks like it's moving very fast.
I guess we're gonna meet Jackie for dinner after this.